Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment on this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is from Boxycharm for January 2019. This is a $21 a month subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and they say the value each month is over $110 with a range from skincare, makeup to beauty tools and color cosmetics. They also offer a box which is called Boxyluxe every quarter, every 3 months. So it's every March, June, September, and December. And that is for an additional $28.99 per for that box, along with the $21 that you pay for the actual Boxycharm. You have to be a Boxycharm member in order to get the Boxyluxe box. And the Boxyluxe has a value of over $250, and they promise to only put luxury products in that box. And for the monthly subscription, they do have prepay options for 3, 6, and 12-month plans where you save a little bit of money. I do the month-to-month payment plan, so I pay $21 a month. And let's get right into today's box. And it is Boxy and Chill. And what I like about Boxycharm, on the back they tell you the products and the value. So we're going to get right into the box. These boxes are always packaged so well. I have never had anything break or be damaged in my box. It's always, nice foam. The first product that I see is from Briogeo, and this is the Rosarco Milk, and this is a leave-in conditioning spray. This has a value of $12. I think this is this a 2-ounce? Yes, this is the 2-ounce size, and we have gotten this before, I think a few months back. It's a good product, so I don't mind. But I wish Boxyluxe would stop repeating so close together. If you're going to repeat products, at least put, 5-6 months in between the repeats. So that's this first product. The second product, which I have never tried anything from Ofra, and this is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Havana Nights. And this has a value of $20. And like I said, I've, beautiful packaging on the lid. It just is nice, pretty packaging. Let me swatch this for you. Okay, so there's the color right there. Pretty color. Definitely a great wintertime color. It's like a dark red, like burgundy type color. I'm going to save this one for last. The next product in the box is from $1 Billion Brows. It's the Universal Brow Pencil. And let's see where that is on the paper. This has a value of $18. And on one side you have a spoolie, which is nice. You can never have too many of those. And it does give you the color right there, the universal color. And it is a twist up, which is nice. And it's very creamy, very nice. And I'll show you what that looks like. So there it is right there. So that's very pretty. That should be fine for me. I mean, I have light brown hair, so that should work just fine. And the next products are from Tatcha, and this is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and we have 2 of those, which is always better than getting one. And the Tatcha masks are, for both of them, are valued at $24, so $12 a piece. I have never tried anything from Tatcha, so I am excited to try these. So then we're going to do our last product, which I'm glad. I've never tried Tatcha and I've never tried Ofra. I have used Tarte in the past. So this is the Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3, and this is an eyeshadow palette. Oy. Just got lipstick everywhere. Okay, let's open this up. And this is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. So this is the depth of it. And it does have a mirror, so I will block it off. So this is, you know, more your shimmers and shimmer shades, and you have one right here that is your matte, which could be your transition shade. I love getting neutrals. I know they had different, I think 3 or 4. I think it was 3 different color tones that you could have gotten. I'm happy that I got this one. I don't like anything too bright. But there was another one I think had some purples and things like that in it, which would have been nice too. But I'm extremely happy with this. I think I just hit the camera. I'm so sorry. Let me swatch a few of these because I'm going to be keeping this very, very creamy. I don't know where to swatch these. Don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. I don't think you can. The transition shade is very light, so, which is going to be good, I guess. Okay. So I will point to the color that I used. So the color that I did is right here, and that's right there on my hand. So that's very pretty. And let's get a clean finger. And let's try this one. There's no fallout in the pan. There's no kickback. Anything. So there's that one right there. That's very pretty. And let's try one of these lighters. I mean, it is creamy when you go to, and there it is on my finger. So then we'll put that one right there just for space. So that's there. So that's very, very pretty. So I am excited to try these. I think I have one other palette from Tarte, and I think I have their, you know, their glow type palette, which is that, you know, with the highlighters and the bronzers. That's very nice. So you can see all of this one here was the really super light shade, so it's not even showing up on my finger. So that's that. So this is the Boxy and Chill, I'm sorry, box from Boxycharm for the month of January in 2019. So I am excited to get this, as I am every month. And that's my video for today. I hope you enjoy watching, and thank you very much. Bye.